Congratulations. I know your visa has been approved online. Now you have a lot of questions in your mind. So I am there to solve it for you. Namaskar. Welcome back to KHAPANGI Travels. My name is Nisha. As your visa has been approved online for in Serbia portal, you must be having a lot of questions like where we need to submit the passport, how we need to submit the passport, what all documents is required, and do we really get any slip after submission? Do we have to do biometrics, or we have to take appointments, or we submit by ourselves, or somebody else can submit on our behalf? If you have all this question in your mind, then please stay tuned with me till the end. I will answer every single question in an explained way. Namaskar. First question is, do we need appointment in the embassy for passport or document submission? So the answer is no. We don't need any appointment. Once your application has been approved in Serbia website, it is showing as approved. After that, you can visit the embassy from 10 o'clock till 1 o'clock, Monday to Friday. Now, the next question comes. What all documents need to submit in the embassy for visa stamping? So, there is not much documents which need to be submitted. There are total number of documents need to be submitted, which is 5 documents. Only and only 5 documents. Number 1, your passport, your original passport. Number 2, your photograph. You need to submit 2 photographs. The photograph should be 35 by 45 with white background. Now, after that, you need to fill one application form, which is available on the Serbian site. This application form, your invitation letter, first page is required, and that's it. Remaining, there is nothing extra which you need to submit in the embassy. Now, next question comes. Do we need to submit our document by ourselves, or other can also submit our file? So best is if you can do it by yourself. But I know there are a lot of people, those who can't do the needful by themselves. In that case, the other person or agency can also submit your documents in the embassy. On your behalf, they can do the needful. Now, next question. Do we get any submission slip after submitting the documents? After submitting your documents, there is no submission slip at all. Once the visa stamping has been done and the embassy give you a call to collect the passport, that moment of time, they ask you to submit the visa stamping fees. That time they provide you a slip of the payment. Remaining, they don't provide any slip at all. After submitting your documents, how much is the visa stamping charge? So for the visa stamping charge, it is different from category to category. And suppose for C visa, it's different. For student visa, it is different. If you are applying for sports category, it is different. And if you are applying for long-term visa, it is different. The fees category I'll mention on the screens. You can have a look, or you can also visit on Welcome to Serbia site. Next question. Is there any biometrics in the embassy after submission, or is there any interview taken by the embassy after submission? So the answer is no. There is no biometrics at all. Right now, Serbia embassy does not take any biometrics. After submitting your documents, they will do the needful. They'll provide you the visa stamping on your passport. And once it is done, they will give you a call to collect the passport. So there is no biometrics at all. Now, the next question is, do we have to give any interview in the embassy? The embassy right now not taking any interview. With all the questions which I received and the comments which you people had shared with me, with that collection, I have made this question. But still, if you have any more questions or any doubt, you can leave the comment on the comment box, or you can send me the WhatsApp or email. Let's meet once again with new information, with new update. Till then, this is Nisha Chauhan signing out. Dhanyavad.